3 ways to remove HTV from fabric. Using Cricut Heat Press. Step 1. Set the temperature in your Cricut Heat Press and place it upside down on the heat press mat. Step 2. Place the back of the fabric right on top of the platen and let it set for a few seconds. Step 3. Once the fabric is warm, grab a tweezer, then go ahead and peel off the vinyl slowly. Step 4. Grab a weeding tool to hold the fabric in place, then work your way through the vinyl. Using an iron. Step 1. First, heat up the iron. Step 2. Grab the fabric and place it on the iron to heat the vinyl from the back. Step 3. Let it warm up for some time. Step 4. Grab a tweezer and start peeling off the vinyl. Step 5. Slowly work your way and peel off every bit of the vinyl from the fabric. Using Vinyl Liftoff. Step 1. Turn the fabric over and apply the Vinyl Liftoff on the back of the vinyl. Step 2. Then grab a tweezer and try to peel off the vinyl. Step 3. If it doesn't work, reapply the Vinyl Liftoff on the front. Step 4. Then try to peel off the vinyl. Step 5. Repeat the same steps and work your way through the vinyl one piece at a time. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.